How to replace the filters on your Shark Stratos upright vacuum cleaner. Firstly, we need to remove the dust cup, or as we call it in the UK, the dust bin. Underneath the bin, you will see the filter. This should be washed once a month. If you're unsure how to do this, I have a video in the description, but we're going to be replacing them today. Simply pull out the sponge filter and then you've got this pad filter that goes underneath it, putting in your new filters in their place. This is all very nice and easy. The problem that most owners have of this model is they can't actually find where to put the HEPA filter that stops dust re-entering the room. There's just a little clue on this grill that tells you how to access it there. It's easily missed. You press it and then slide the drawer out. At this point you probably think the filter's missing. If you tilt the vacuum cleaner back, you will then find the filter. Releasing it like so, and then we need to fit your new filter. These bottom two prongs fit in these square holes here, and then it just clicks back into place with this clip at the top. Replace your drawer, and then before we put the bin back on the vacuum cleaner, there's actually a little permanent filter inside your bin. You need to always make sure that this is clear. If it's clogged up or covered, it really restricts suction. Clear any dust with the dry toothbrush, or if you want to go the full hog and do a full bin clean, I do have a video on this, again in the description. Once finished, replace your bin onto the vacuum cleaner and you are good to go again. Your suction will be back to new. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This next video is going to help you if your suction hasn't returned back to new even though you've replaced the filters. You may have a blockage somewhere or a split pipe. This will help you find it.